Hey, how about a quick tip video on where the turn signal flasher is on a Toyota Sienna? In this case it's a 2006. These things can be tricky to find. They're buried up in there. Come on, I'll show you where it is real quick because it's common for those to go out and cause your turn signals to not work. Alright, coming in through the driver's side, it's going to be up under here. I already got a light in place. And we'll come up under here. And you can see here's our steering column right there. And we're going to look up past that and you can see that junction box right there. Right to the back. Right back there at the tip of my finger. Looks kind of tan. That's going to be our turn signal flasher. Looks like a little relay about that big. It's attached to the back of that box. Right back in there. So that's where it is. Hidden way back in there. And if you don't know where it is, it can be hard to find. There's a close-up of it right there. That tan box right in the middle. There you go. That's what it looks like out of the vehicle. Not much to it. But this little thing is what's in charge of making your turn signals and your hazard lights work. So, in any event, they can be hard to find. So, hey, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.